Hi guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. It's time for the next Advent calendar opening. It is time now for day 4. Yes, day 4. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Where is it? Here we go. So this is a small box right here. And I'm actually using my craft knife, I think, for the white paper on the inside. Actually, some of this too. Mostly because I don't really want to mess everything up at the moment. You don't have to do this, but I'm trying to do it for camera and look nice. So that's why I'm not going to be tearing into all of these messily, I think. Oh, okay, so it looks like we may be making some tags, and it looks like it could be dice set. Yep, that's what it looks like. So let's go ahead and see what's in this little package. So I grabbed out some of the festive ornaments. This was a die set from last month and some sticker paper. And I'm going to go ahead and just put together a couple more. Well, let's go ahead and put together one ornament. I also cut out some of the sentiments and the shadow layer. So we're going to basically use that instead of doing a stamp on the back, because you could do either way. This is also going to be a little bit more dimensional. It just gives it a little bit, I don't know, just a little bit extra. I'm using the sticker paper because instead of using multiple layers of cardstock, I'm using a piece of foam. This is basically because I've got stuff in my stash that I have not used and I want to use it up. So I had some sticker paper on the back of one of my white pieces. I've got some sticker paper on the back of this gold one, and I'm just going to stick everything together. And then it's going to be about the right thickness for my tag. There you go. So one of the dies that are in the set is for a little hanger, like a little ornament hanger to make these ornaments. This time I think I'm just going to use my crocodile. You can absolutely cut out more of the little ornament topper, but I think this is going to work just as well. And now I need to decide, how am I going to decorate it? I think I want to go with one of these frosting pieces over the top, and then one of my, like I did before, and one of my little pieces of holly. And because I'm gluing over glitter, I'm putting a lot of liquid glue down, and I'm going to put my acrylic block over the top and let that sit for a bit so that it can adhere to that glitter. Glitter doesn't always like things being stuck to it. So while that is doing its thing, I'm going to start assembling my little sentiments. So we've got, I decided to go with black letters over our lighter background for the bubble layer. And this one is just on this iridescent cardstock. This is just some cardstock that I got from Michael's a couple of years ago that I haven't used up and it's been sitting in my stash. But doesn't that look just perfect? I'm going to do the same thing with the rest of these guys, and then we can start adding, well, putting together our little ornaments. Okay, so I decided to go gold. Yeah, I needed everything to match, right? So I went ahead and cut some more out of some gold. So I've got those drying. And I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. Just popping a little hole in the top there. So now we've got a place to hang our tag from, or ornament, whichever way you want to go with it. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my holly and berries to this. There we go. And then on the back, it's ready for these other bits, right? So Now you could, if there's more people in your family, you could do to and from and just write on it, but I'm going to use the full thing. I'm going to say to you from me. Yeah, who else is going to make one of these? It's like, you know, if my husband gets something with this on there, he's going to know it's from me. There's nobody else in the house and he doesn't make them himself. So anyway, but that also means you could just add these to a fun card and, you know, sign the inside so they know who you are. So I'm going to go to, oh, no, I don't want to do to me. No, let's go to you. Yes, we're going to do to you from me. Could be to me from me. Yeah, that's a perfect gift. Then I know I get what I want. Okay, so we got to you. And then we'll put from me. And it's hanging off the edge a little bit, but that's okay. Could always move it over a little bit. I think I will. Okay, from me. And then let's pull this one up before it really sets. And then all we need is some twine to go on that. So I just grabbed some red and white baker's twine and tied a knot in one end of it. So now we've got something for it to hang on, and it's plenty long enough to tie onto a package. So there's the front and there's the back, and I love all that glitter. I think I'm going to actually add something more to the front. I've got some Nuvo glitter accents. This is in Fresh Snowfall, and I think I want to add that to the front. And I haven't used this in a bit, so I do need to test it first and make sure that it's going to come out of there. Yep, it's coming out fine. Perfect. So I'm just going to go around the edges here down at the bottom. And I think that is turning out cute. Awesome. So that is going to finish up my project for today's Advent calendar. Yeah, come back tomorrow, 4 p.m. Eastern to see the next one, and check out the playlist to see the other ones that have already gone up. I'm doing these every day at 4 p.m. Eastern time during December through the 24th. I think that's the last day. Anyway, you guys have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, guys.